Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making a tomato toast. This is such an easier recipe, makes amazing breakfast, lunch, or anytime snack. All you need is bread, tomato, mayo, and seasonings of your choice. I'm just going to use simple salt and pepper. So all we need to do is toast the bread. And you can use a gourmet bread or simple bread, totally up to you. I'm just using simple white bread here. It will be even better if it was a gourmet bread, but any bread is great toasted in this recipe. So I'm going to let it toast, and meanwhile I'm going to slice the tomato. So I washed the tomato before making the video. So now I just cut it into slices. And now we'll just wait for the bread to finish toasting. So now the bread is done toasting. Look at this nice brown crispy bread. So all we need to do is now spread it with a layer of mayo. And top with tomato slices. So just add your tomatoes. And you can always cut the slices to have it fit perfectly here. Perfect. And the final step is sprinkle with seasonings. So I'm just going to sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And of course you can use any seasonings you like. So sometimes Italian seasoning goes well with it, or garlic powder. Feel free to be creative here. So and this awesome toast is ready. Look at this tomato toast. Looks so good, and it was so easy to make. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying. So delicious. Tastes as good as it looks. Crispy bread with creamy mayo and perfectly seasoned tomatoes. Tomatoes taste so fresh, and they go so well with this toasted bread and mayo. This is an awesome combination. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!